Çok kötü taştı, çok kötü taştı.
Abi korkma, sakin ol.
Heavy rains caused massive flooding in the provinces of Rize and Artvin in northeastern Turkey, RIA Novosti reports. Search and rescue operations are underway in the area of the natural disaster, the Republic's Emergency Situations Directorate said on Thursday. Today, as a result of extreme rains, flooding occurred in the Arhavi region of Artvin province. The Arhavi River overflowed its banks, the regional center and rural roads were flooded. Subscribe to the channel and keep abreast of natural changes on the planet.